from long range. Right side, Thomas to the paint. Pass to Davidson. Lets the three fly. Utah with the rebound. The Prodigy's got 9 rebounds in the game. Getting it done. Down low. It's deflected. Nice ball movement by Utah. Pass to Burks. And again, it's Utah.
Effective screen set there for the jump shot. That was the key to the play.
For Boston, they've gotten 6 of their 12 shots to drop for him here in the second half so far. Olynyk sets a screen for Thomas. Offline with his 3.
He's been wayward and just off on about everything he's put up in this period.
The dish to Matt. Right wing. Gobert, the screen. The Prodigy passes to Gobert. He used that pick to get in close.
And the crisp passing has opened things up for them offensively.
10 straight points off assists. That's very impressive, and it also makes the game easy and fun to watch.
And a chance for just a second now to check out the scoring breakdown. And the Jazz with some changes. The Prodigy, he's checked in for Gobert. Joe Ingles comes in for Alec Burks. And it's Burke in for Rodney Hood. Then for the Celtics, Jared Sullinger's checked in for Olynyk. Jay Crowder comes in for Turner. And it's Avery Bradley in for Smart. It's deflected. About 7 seconds separating the shot and game clocks. That's good. Crowder's got 4 points in the quarter.
Really nice dime dropping there. Playmaking ability is exactly what you get from Isaiah Thomas.
Ball inside.
Dishes to Burke. Good D by Thomas.
Even though he isn't having the best of games from the floor, it hasn't seemed to hurt him.
Sullinger the screen. Here's the 3. Oh, and the buzzer beater's good.
And money to end the quarter there with the triple.
They knew exactly what they wanted to do right there, Greg, and the timing was right on time.
Welcome back. Fourth quarter action starting up in what has been a one-sided show. The Celtics shooting 40% from the field. And a look at the 5 for the Celtics to start the fourth quarter. Johnson is out there with Zeller. Then there's Smart. And it's Rozier in at the 1. A nice shot by Zeller.
And their solid play in the paint continues, guys.
And that's been their focus, it seems, throughout the game. I like the discipline that they've showed in terms of creating those opportunities on the inside.
Mack, good.
Great job of screening there. Nice job to take it to the rim and get the finish.
The pass to Davidson. And Smart now atop the key. They grab their own miss. A nice shot by Zeller.
And the shooting has really been there for him today, but he may have to take it upon himself to continue to carry this team and try and get out of this hole.
Here's the Prodigy. He's guarded by Johnson. Exum. An easy layup after coming off the pick.
You know, huge height advantage there, but because of the great body control, he's able to cancel it out.
Agreed. The body control he's sent to in that situation. I mean, if you're giving up a bunch of height, then you better be able to manufacture things in the air.
They've been doing a great job of sharing the ball.
Excellent display of team play.
And guys, Sade comes to mind for me because right now that offense, it's a smooth operator.
Sade, I like that, Greg. What a nice feed, and that assist gives him a triple-double. That's my kind of player. Versatile as baking soda, multi-uses, multi-dimensional. He can do it all.
There's the pick. Pick by Zeller. Here's Rozier. Off the mark there with the three-point shot. For Utah, they've gotten all 3 of their shots to drop here in the fourth quarter. They came out of the break on a roll. Johnson over to help. A nice shot by Exum.
Just impressed with the teamwork out there, setting the table for one another.
5 straight baskets, Greg, resulting from assists. They're playing as one unit out there.
Fourth quarter of play, and we're about 2.5 minutes through it right now. Kicks it to Zeller. 6 on the shot clock. Lets it go from 11. Jump shot is good that time. Zeller's got 6 in the quarter.
And how does he get that one to go? No idea.
I don't have an idea either. A little heat check there, but yep, he's still cooking, and Greg, he's cooking with gas.
Here's the prodigy. It's tipped. And pushing it up, here's Boston. Smart, wide open, he fires. Rebounded by the Jazz. The prodigy's got rebound number 12 now. Tenacity on the glass. Now, good.
And that tells you a lot about why the score is where it is. Lazy defense.
A look at the clock, a little under 3.5 minutes gone here in the fourth. Johnson, and off the front iron, and in it goes. For Utah, they've gotten every shot they've taken so far in the fourth quarter to go in. That's 5 in a row to start the quarter. Feeds it to Mack. Fires the 3. The prodigy passes to Hickson. And 2 free throws coming up as he misses that one. Drawing the whistle and a lot of contact there.
At the line for your Jazz, J.J. Hickson. At the line for 2.
First free throw is good. The Jazz have gone 6 of 11 since the start of the fourth quarter. Passes it to the prodigy. Five to shoot. They set the pick. Traps in the tray. The prodigy's got 43 points.
And that's why it's so important to really be a good screening team. You get a lot of open looks from it.
Thomas kicks to Bradley. Good, and the assist goes to Thomas. Thomas got his 7th assist here tonight.
It has been a 3-point barrage for them since halftime.
Not sure if it's been by design or simply by accident, but either way, it has been impressive.
And they're really in a good position here, thanks in part to the way he's been able to score the basketball.
Trying to break that ice-cold streak.
Not sure if he just ran out of gas or what, Kevin, but he's been awful ever since the second half started. It's not even been a factor.
He hits the back iron and sinks the shot. The prodigy's got 48.
He's doing it all for them right now on the offensive side. No matter what the defense has done, they haven't been able to find an answer to stop him, and he's had an answer for every defense he's seen.
And he's clearly been the best rebounder on the floor today.
And the numbers back it up, Greg. I mean, he's brought his hard hat and mean mentality to the glass with him today.
And he banks in the layup. The prodigy's got 10 points in the quarter.
Impeccable mechanics this quarter. He's been perfect from the field.
And the foul called on Freak. That's foul number 2 for him. So it's both teams making substitutions here. And Boston has possession. Thomas dishes to Olynyk to stop the run. Rebounded by Exum.
Well, I think he kind of alligator armed that one. Short stroked it. After doing a nice job to get open, he didn't finish the shot.
Here's the prodigy. 5 on the clock. That's tipped. And a fast break now for the Celtics. Here's Smart. Thomas kicks to Zeller. Good, and the assist goes to Thomas. And 12 points for Tyler Zeller.
Wow, has he flipped a switch at halftime. Much more effective here in the second half.
To the middle. NATO. The rebound by the Celtics. Zeller's got 3 rebounds now in this one.
And so it's going to end up in the record books as a blowout, a dominating performance for the Jazz.
Clark, this was a physical game.
Yeah, but the awareness they had offensively to penetrate really was the difference.
And the effort here tonight, adding to the W column for the season. It'll go down as their 48th win.
And because they play in different conferences, guys, this is the last time these two teams will face each other. It's got to be a good feeling that getting the clean sweep, finishing the season 2-0 against the Celtics.
And beyond the actual result of this game, fans are going to look back and see this was just a monstrous performance for the Prodigy. There isn't much else you want from someone. He gave it his all and was rewarded with a triple-double.
The feed to Thomas. 46 seconds left in the game. He kicks to Olynyk. Sinks the three-pointer.
You can't afford to give him that kind of a look.
Well, you know, he came off a good screen, but still, as a defender, you've got to do a better job of fighting over and through that.
That is good.
And they feel good about this win tonight, guys, defending their home court.
I agree. Job well done. They gave these fans exactly what they wanted.
There's a screen. Picked by Zeller. Thomas kicks to Smart. Inside, Zeller. Good, and Smart gets the assist.